In this video, we will cover the advanced functionality provided by PrimoLogic 360 to be able to analyze results for the 360 surveys conducted. As soon as results for 360-degree surveys start coming in, you will see this progress bar moving. By using the Edit button, you can also see who has participated and who has not. You can look at the results as soon as they start coming in. Using the Results button displays the full 360 report. In this report, you have a few tools to help you identify key issues as well as analyze the data collected. The summary section shows the consolidated results for all the rating questions per category or core competency. By clicking in this chart, you can see the distribution of responses for this whole section. You can use the distribution to notice if there's a consensus from the participants or not in a particular core competency for the person being reviewed. You can also select to break down the summary section by using this option here. PrimoLogic 360 shows you then the respondent groups for each category. This could be useful to identify areas or core competencies that have a particular rating for a given respondent group. Going down to every section, you can see the particular responses for each question within each category. Again, using the bar chart on the right, you can see the frequency of distribution of responses for this individual question. Depending on the anonymity settings of the 360 survey, you may be able to identify respondents. If this is the case, clicking on an individual bar displays the names of those reviewers who provided that rating. It is possible that you notice a particular bias from one reviewer. In that case, you can use the filtering mechanism to remove the answers from one reviewer, and PrimoLogic 360 will automatically recalculate all the results, also hiding the commentary from those reviewers that have been omitted. Another useful tool is the ability to perform comparisons. You can enable the comparison method using this menu item here. By default, PrimoLogic 360 does a comparison with everybody else who used the same questionnaire during the same review cycle. However, you can change this by using this button here. Once the selection is done, you will notice a new comparison chart displayed. PrimoLogic 360 displays the values of the current survey under the Results heading, and the values from the comparison group under the Comparison heading. Looking at individual questions, you can see the different responses from the original survey as well as the comparison group, broken down by respondent group. This tool allows you to do comparisons of how a particular employee is performing compared to other employees within the same cycle. You can also change this so that you can, for example, compare results of a previous cycle and see how a particular employee is feeling about her own performance over different review cycles. With this tool, the manager can perform much more than a regular performance review, but dig more into future career and employee development.